Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD monthly, I'm still looking at this as possibly a wave A or 1. 3 waves up is possibly a B or 2, and I still think this is likely to go down and make a wave C or maybe a wave 3, probably more likely a wave C. Either scenario, I don't think it's important to know because either way, I still think it leads to a pretty big move to the downside. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I wouldn't be surprised at this point if it did go up and touch this high right here, maybe retest these highs. But even if it does, I still think at some point it is going to make a big move to the downside for that wave C like I was explaining on the monthly. Heading down to the daily time frame, we are definitely pushing up right now, and it does have a three-wave look to it. But looking at correlated pairs, other dollar pairs, I actually still think this is possibly a 1, and that this is actually just a wave 2, and that it's likely to go down for a wave 3. But like I was explaining on the weekly, I wouldn't be surprised if it did keep on going up, and if it did actually take out the previous highs. And guess what? We should be looking for longs on shorter time frames, so if it does just keep on drifting up beyond this 100% level, then that really shouldn't affect us in any negative way. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I actually still think that this right here is a trend, and this is likely a wave 1 or a wave A. Now, this right here definitely is probably a wave A, or and then this is a wave B, and this is a wave C, and this is an ABC of B, or it's an ABC of 2. Either way, I think it's probably going to go up more, probably at least going to take out that high. Then if we get a significant break of structure to the downside, then I do think that is going to be a nice sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. But I need to see that nice 3, 4, 5 shape with the break of structure, because otherwise it may just go up and it may just take out the previous highs. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think it's very, very clear this is a 1, this is a 2, and we're in a wave 3. And I definitely do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves right there, a subdivision of wave 3. So I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did start making its way down today, but even if it does, I think it's actually going to be a wave 4. So this would be a 3, this would be a 4, probably back up again for a wave 5, probably take out these highs over here. And I think there is a pretty good chance this is a wave C on the much higher time frames. So if it does go up, take out these previous highs, make it like that 3, 4, 5 shape, make a break of structure to the downside, then I definitely would take that as a short at that point. But like I always say, I would have to wait for confirmation. I would have to see that 3, 4, 5 shape with a break of structure to prove that it really is going down, because there's always a chance that it could just keep on going up, like I was explaining on the daily and weekly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the members at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.